up? Welcome to the channel. I'm Wyatt. We got Big Griff back here, Dirty Daniel. This old boy right here, he's holding the camera. So yell at him for his how he holds the camera. But we got more of this coming. We got 2 more that we're going to be monster trucking hopefully tomorrow night. Because as you can tell, it's getting a little dark. Hopefully tomorrow night we're going to have some more buddies out here to play monster truck on some of these Geo Metros. Got 3 of them. So this one, we were jumping with the old 110 back here, but I got bored and wanted to try and climb on it with the Razor. Oh God, we got Griff on here. He's gonna try and send the Geo on. Alright, second gear like 3/4 throttle. Pretty accurate.
Not good.
You good?
Not good.
There you go. There he goes. Hey,
A little bit rougher than you think.
that was the very first time you hit that.
Yeah, the first one was a little unanticipated. Let me tell you, you got to hit her kind of wide open.
Oh yeah.
Geos don't seem big, but man, they're big on a 110.
What are we doing, Wyatt?
I can't believe that camera just failed completely.
Dropped.
You guys would like to see it, it's over there.
Got it.
Canon G7X.
Hey, WD, what are you doing?
Apologize for the dust and wind. It looks like it's gonna get bad.
It's already bad.
Alright, so what should we do today? Should we run some Geos over or should we send a Geo?
I'm pretty sure he hit that jump in that little thing over there.
I would wreck that so hard. You did on that?
Huh?
Did you hit that jump on the little thing?
No, I do not
Oh,
dare
I thought
do
you
that.
did.
That thing, it doesn't go fast enough.
I thought you
You'd
did.
have to get like one of them Hot Wheels things where you lift up the back or get the car ripping and then all of a sudden hit the button and let her go. We got our good buddy Jake Percy, Jake Percy.
Yeah.
Professional
Jake
race car
The-
driver.
Yeah,
Blonde ambition.
the not dirt bike rider.
Alright, so we should probably run these cars over before it gets too bad, huh?
Other way.
Go this way! I just don't want a fence post to hit me in the back of the head.
Right. Good.
What do you think, Wyatt? You think we can get the
Got our
camera
flat
to work?
screen TV. I can't wait to put this in our house.
Yes.
need the...
Wyatt, license and registration plate. Oh, that looks like a fuse, sir.
I hope it doesn't blow the door open.
Definitely.
So, we got another stress fracture over here.
Wow. I was like, let's just title it "Blowing Up My 2019 Turbo S," and we'll put it on there and throw some of these in there.
Dash, pretty easy. Yeah, I hope Wyatt didn't take any damage.
Found it.
Listen, you've got a face for radio. Let's light this bitch up.
Face radio. Took me a second to figure out what you're talking about.
You have like prototype 35-inch Gladiators. You can't even buy those right now.
You can't.
Ow!
Oh shit. Apologize. I just throw them in there.
Yeah, well, it's your car. Destroy it however you like.
I can't get my phone out of my pocket.
So anticlimactic.
We gotta do it again.
We really hope.
Definitely.
AutoZone's gonna be so pissed their tip didn't hold up. That's a little inadvertent fire. We lit this one on fire. And this one caught on fire. So it's right in there, Wyatt. It's a seat, bro.
It smells like a seat that's on fire.
You're gonna need some dirt.
How funny.
Oh yeah, that's the way to save it.
Dude, this stinks. I mean, heck, dude, this stinks.
I can't believe how easy it is to put out a car fire.
Dude, I know, everybody that catches a razor on fire should just throw dirt on it. That's gonna piss some people off.
I really am shocked how easy the fire is to put out. You gotta go with the donkey kick.
What's that?
Hold on, I gotta get in on this.
I bet if I slam it, it'll break it.
No, that's against the rules. No slamming of the window. Kick someone. Why? You have to kick it and break it. Oh!
There we go. Oh, fun, the handlebars move. This is a little scary.
Yeah, you're gonna have to wheelie it.
Hey, razors.
Ah. Dude, I have some lug nuts for a deal though.
Dude, these are the babiest lug nuts.
I wonder if these work on my razor. Just a little commemorative thing of the old Geo. Hoopty speed demon. Alright, I got a bloody nose. I don't know if you can see that or not. But anyways, so the Geo's over here. I think we've got our fun out of them. We ran them over with the gator, ran them over with my razor. I think I rode my bike over them maybe. So now I think it's time to finish them. Because there's an auto body shop that says my insurance is gonna pay for them to get fixed. Hopefully Brett Smith at CNS Auto Body can get these Geos fixed up for me.
This one swings it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, get out of the swing radius.
Yeah.
It's my girlfriend's first time ever running an Excavator. Aggressive.
Don't piss her off. This will be Wyatt's Dodge. That will be that.
Well, the Geos are no more, so hope you guys like watching this, because they're out of here. No more. That was fun, had a good time. We'll see you guys in the next one.